struggling with stubborn belly fat and no time for the gym? I lost 5 kilograms in just 10 days without dieting supplements or stepping outside my home. This beginner-friendly workout is your complete roadmap. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you the real moves that deliver real results fast. Ready to change your body from today? Let's go. Let's face it, we've all had those moments where we look down and wish our belly fat would just disappear. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This video is made for you. Whether you've never worked out before or you've tried but didn't see results, this 10-day fat burning challenge is designed to get you real results fast without extreme diet supplements or long gym hours. The goal is simple: burn fat, build confidence, and feel better every day. These 10 beginner-friendly moves are low-impact, joint-safe, and require zero equipment. All you need is commitment, consistency, and 10 minutes of your day. The magic happens when you show up daily. We'll raise your heart rate, activate your core, and melt fat through carefully chosen exercises that target stubborn belly fat while toning your muscles. Throughout this journey, I'll be with you, motivating, guiding, and sweating beside you. You are not alone. Every drop of sweat is a step closer to your transformation. So grab a mat, some water, and get ready to crush it. Because today isn't just a workout, it's the start of a new you. Exercise 1. Standing march twists. This move is your official warm-up and a powerful fat-burning starter. Begin by standing tall with feet hip-width apart. Start marching in place, then bring your right knee up and twist your torso to the left so your left elbow meets your right knee. Repeat on the other side, left knee, right elbow. It's a dynamic full-body movement that fires up your heart rate and targets the core, especially your obliques and lower abs. This is not just about moving your limbs, engage your core with every twist. The key here is control and activation. The more intentional you are, the more fat you'll burn. Keep your shoulders relaxed and eyes forward. Breathe steadily and keep marching tall. What makes this exercise perfect for beginners is that it's low impact yet effective. You're not jumping or straining joints, but you're still torching calories. After just 60 seconds, you'll feel warm, energized, and focused. This is your body's signal that it's ready to burn fat and build endurance. Every time you twist, imagine wringing out the fat from your waistline. You're not just moving, you're sculpting your new shape. Power through this with purpose. Let's keep that energy going into the next move. Exercise 2. Standing side crunches. Let's keep the momentum going with standing side crunches, a favorite among beginners because they're simple, safe, and shockingly effective. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, and place your hands lightly behind your head. Now raise your right knee as you crunch your torso to the right, bringing your right elbow toward your knee. Return to standing and repeat. Do 45 seconds on the right, then switch to the left. This movement activates your obliques and upper abs, sculpting the sides of your waist while improving coordination and balance. Make sure you're crunching, not just bringing your elbow down. Really squeeze your side abs at the top of the movement. Don't rush through it. The slower and more controlled your reps, the more muscles you engage. Engage your core the entire time and avoid leaning forward. This is a side-to-side movement, so keep your back straight. Add a little bounce to your step if you want to raise your heart rate more. Want to torch more belly fat? Try to increase your speed on the second round. But remember, form always comes first. With every rep, visualize your waist tightening and your belly shrinking. You're not just exercising, you're reshaping your future. Exercise 3. Reverse lunge with reach. This next move combines balance, strength, and fat burning all in one. Start by standing tall with feet hip-width apart and hands raised straight above your head. Step your right foot back into a reverse lunge, bending both knees to 90 degrees. As you lower, keep your arms extended upward and feel the stretch through your sides. Now return to standing and repeat with the left leg. This exercise targets multiple muscle groups at once: glutes, thighs, core, and shoulders, boosting your metabolism and firing up your fat-burning engine. The added reach overhead engages your abdominal wall and improves posture, making it a double-duty movement that tones and slims. Be sure to keep your front knee aligned with your ankle and your back straight. As a beginner, it's okay to go slower. Focus on clean movement rather than depth. Breathe in as you step back, breathe out as you rise. You'll start feeling your legs burn, your core tighten, and your heart rate climb. That's how you know it's working. This isn't just a lower body workout, it's a powerful sculpting move that transforms your midsection, burns calories, and enhances coordination. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers. Get ready to ignite your core and rev up your heart rate with crossbody mountain climbers, a powerful belly fat burning move with a cardio twist. Start in a high plank position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and begin by driving your right knee toward your left elbow. Return to plank, then bring your left knee toward your right elbow. This twisting flattening movement targets your entire core, especially your obliques, while simultaneously increasing your calorie burn. It mimics a running motion but with more control and core engagement. What makes this variation powerful is the rotational element. It activates more muscle fibers around your waist, helping sculpt a tighter midsection. Keep your back flat, shoulders over wrists, and hips low. Avoid bouncing or lifting your hips too high. Move at a steady pace, focusing on form first, then gradually increase speed as you gain confidence. If you're new to this, slow it down to a crawl. It's better to be controlled than sloppy. You'll feel your abs working within seconds. Stay strong through the discomfort. Each rep is a fat-burning punch to stubborn belly fat. You're not just climbing, you're conquering your goals. Exercise 5. High knees. Now it's time to get your heart pumping while staying kind to your joints. Low-impact high knees are a beginner-friendly cardio move that boosts fat burn without the jumping. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Begin marching in place, but raise your knees as high as you can, aiming for belly button level. As you lift each knee, pump the opposite arm like you're jogging in place. The key is intensity without impact. This move strengthens your hip flexors and works your core, all while accelerating your calorie burn. The higher you lift your knees and the more energy you put into your arms, the more effective it becomes. Your core tight during each lift, you'll directly engage your lower abs. This is perfect for people with knee sensitivities or for those who want to reduce belly fat without harsh movements. You're getting cardio coordination and core work all in one. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and land softly with each step. Don't just go through the motions, move with energy and focus. Smile through it. You're building endurance, confidence, and burning that stubborn belly fat. Every step counts. Keep going. This is your transformation in motion. Exercise 6. Jump squats. If you're ready to supercharge your fat loss, jump squats are your next best friend. This high-energy move targets the lower body, boosts your heart rate, and ignites belly fat burn all in one explosive motion. Begin by standing with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat, keeping your back straight and chest up. Then explode upward into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly and immediately return into a squat to repeat. This plyometric movement builds strength in your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves, while also strengthening your core for stability. The explosive nature of the jump maximizes calorie burn and elevates your metabolism for hours after the workout. Form is crucial. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Absorb the landing with soft knees and maintain a tight core throughout. If you're a true beginner or have joint concerns, perform a low-impact version by rising onto your toes instead of jumping. You'll feel your heart pounding and legs burning. This is where the transformation begins. Each jump is a victory over belly fat. Stay with it, push your limits, and feel the energy surge through you. Your body is learning to move powerfully. Jump into your goals one squat at a time. Exercise 7. Toe touch crunches. Now let's zero in on those upper and lower abs with toe touch crunches, a move that may look simple but delivers powerful results. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended straight up toward the ceiling, feet flexed. Extend your arms straight above your chest. Engage your core and crunch upward, reaching your fingertips toward your toes. Lower back down with control and repeat. This exercise works the entire abdominal wall, focusing particularly on the upper abs, while the vertical leg position activates the lower belly. The constant tension builds endurance and definition in your midsection, perfect for melting away stubborn belly fat. Keep your chin tucked slightly and don't strain your neck. Breathe out as you crunch up and inhale as you return to the floor. The key is slow, controlled movement. Even if you can't touch your toes yet, reach as high as you can while keeping your legs straight and core tight. Modify by bending your knees if needed, but maintain the crunch form. You should feel a deep contraction in your abs with every rep. Every crunch brings you closer to a flatter, firmer core. Stay with it. Your abs are getting stronger one rep at a time. Exercise 8. Flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are a powerful move for lower belly fat. Small, simple, but incredibly effective. Lie on your back with your hands either under your glutes for support or by your sides. Lift your legs about 6 inches off the floor and alternate small kicks up and down. Keep your legs straight and your core engaged throughout the entire movement. The motion may seem minor, but the sustained tension in your lower abs is what drives results. Flutter kicks challenge your endurance and directly target that hard-to-reach lower belly area. They also improve core stability and help tighten your hip flexors. To keep proper form, press your lower back into the mat. If you feel it arching, raise your legs slightly higher or bend your knees slightly to reduce strain. Breathe rhythmically, don't hold your breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth as you kick. This move can be intense, but remember, intensity brings change. Start with 30 45 seconds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Picture your belly flattening with every flutter. This isn't just a movement, it's momentum toward your fitness goal. Keep your kicks sharp, controlled, and focused. You're doing incredible. Exercise 9. Bicycle crunches. Let's bring in a standing version of the classic bicycle crunch to torch calories while protecting your lower back. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and place your hands gently behind your head. Lift your right knee toward your left elbow while twisting your torso. Then return to standing and switch left knee to right elbow. Continue alternating sides at a steady rhythmic pace. This low-impact move strengthens your obliques, upper abs, and lower abs while improving coordination and balance. What makes it so effective is the dynamic full-body engagement. It activates your core while keeping your heart rate elevated. Keep your elbows wide, spine tall, and core braced throughout the movement. Avoid pulling on your neck. Focus on engaging your abs during the twist instead of just swinging your arms or legs. Think of squeezing your ribs toward your hips with every crunch. Perfect for beginners, this exercise is joint-friendly yet powerful enough to shred belly fat when performed consistently. It's also a great alternative to floor exercises if you prefer to stay standing. Each rep is a step closer to a tighter waistline. Keep twisting, stay focused, and let your core drive the motion. You're almost there. Let's finish strong. Exercise 10. Hollow body hold. We're finishing strong with one of the most powerful core exercises you can do, the hollow body hold. It's simple in setup, but a serious challenge in execution. Lie flat on your back with arms extended overhead and legs straight out. Lift your legs, arms, shoulders, and upper back off the ground simultaneously, keeping your lower back pressed firmly into the floor. Your body should form a slight curve like a banana. This static hold engages every inch of your core, upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and even your lower back. It builds deep abdominal strength and teaches your body to brace and stabilize, which is essential for functional movement and fat burning. If you're a beginner, start by lifting just your legs and shoulders, keeping your arms by your sides. As your core strength improves, work toward the full position. The most important part, keep your lower back pressed down to avoid strain and activate the correct muscles. Hold the position for as long as you can. Start with 20 seconds and work up. Focus on steady breathing and staying calm under tension. This move finishes your workout with focus and fire. You're not just lying on the floor, you're locking in strength that supports fat loss and defines your core. You did it. You just completed one of the most powerful belly fat workouts designed specifically for beginners, and that's a huge achievement. Whether you were sweating through every jump squat, holding your breath through the hollow body hold, or powering through each twist of the bicycle crunch, you pushed through and showed up for yourself. That's what matters. These 10 exercises weren't just movements, they were stepping stones toward a healthier, stronger, and more confident you. Each rep, each hold, and each breath brought you one step closer to your goal of losing belly fat and feeling amazing in your own skin. Remember, consistency is everything. Don't worry if today felt tough. Progress is built through repetition, not perfection. If you keep showing up day by day, breath by breath, you'll see changes not just in your body but in your energy, mindset, and self-belief. Pair this workout with smart daily habits. Drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, and eat foods that nourish your body. Most importantly, be kind to yourself on this journey. If this workout helped you feel better, stronger, or even just more energized, consider coming back to it again tomorrow. Bookmark it, share it, and commit to moving with purpose every day. You've already taken the first step. Now keep going. Your future self is waiting, and they're proud of you. Stay strong, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next session.